Alright, so we're back out here, and today I'm going to start with pouring the rest of that concrete. Hopefully 6 bags will do it. I'm pretty sure it will. It should. So, I'm not going to do a whole lot of jibber jabbering on this video probably. I'm just going to stay with the business at hand. Alright, so there's our concrete, and I just need to stop over at the shed and pick up my other tools, and we'll get to it. Alright, so now that's one bag. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this part a little high and then go ahead and put another bag in. And then I'll go ahead and finish to the right height, this little bit behind. And then that way there'll be some behind it to hold it up. So, I guess let's mix another bag. Probably won't video that, but you guys have seen it before. Okay, now I'd say I need to go over to the shed and get my 4-foot level to make sure this is all in the same plane kind of here. But yeah, I'm pretty sure 6 bags will do it. That's 2 bags, and I'm almost halfway to the end, so I won't have probably a whole lot extra, but there will be some extra. I'll just put it down in one of the block cores that I need to fill anyway. Alright, onward and upward. Alright, well, the 4-foot level shows we're good, so we'll just keep on trucking. Alright, should be the last little bit. Or at least this is the last bag, so. That might do it right there. Okay, so I've got a line on this concrete that I need to go to. Just to make sure I can measure it. Might even need to take some out. I think that's pretty good right there. Okay, I need to add some back in. Alrighty, well. There she is. Leave that a little bit below level. Since this is the corner, it will have a J-bolt in there, so I'll go ahead and dump the rest in that other one. Well, that job's done. So, their little mistake probably cost me, let's see, 11 bags, so 33, probably about 40 bucks once you include the gas to come out here to fix that, so that's not too bad. I mean, it's, you know, worse than it should be, but better than it could be, so. Alright, I'll go ahead and end this video here. I'm not sure if I'm going to haul gravel today or not. I'm pretty wore out after all that, but I don't know. I'm thinking about it, so if not, that video will be tomorrow. So I'll end this now, and we'll catch you guys next time.